Hello lovely plant people, I'm here today to do an unboxing video of Plants of Joy. This is the first time I've ordered from them. They are from Dimapur and I am truly hoping that I have received nice and healthy plants. So you all can see this parcel. It looks quite big in the video, but in real it's not looking so good. I had ordered 3 plants from them and 3 or 4 plants from them, and they looked quite big in the picture. So I'm hoping that they have fit into this quite relatively small box and they have arrived. The box in itself is looking a little squashed, but it may be all right. So let's go ahead and unbox. Now, while I open this box, live, I want to know from you all, how many of you actually buy plants online? Do you feel comfortable buying plants online? I have seen that a lot of times people are very uncomfortable buying plants online because they don't know how it's going to be. They just cannot imagine, I think, plants being transported over mail. I started buying plants online about 2 years ago, I guess. And yes, I have had my terrible experiences, but largely it's been a nice experience. All right. I can see here some of the leaves have been folded, but let's hope they are in good shape. As long as they are more or less fine, I think that's good. I don't know if it's a new seller, but here it is. The first plant is out. I'm going to keep it out here. I think this is Anthurium hookeri variegated. This is quite folded inside, but let's hope it's okay. This one is Caladium. I can't pronounce the name. I'm going to tell you all the name afterwards. It's quite big. It's dropping soil all over this, soil all over the place. If you can see inside, there's soil and some broken leaves. And this one is not come in a pot. This one has come in soil. This is a green Anthurium. So this is the first plant. I think they didn't have a proper name for it. I wish the leaf wasn't folded like this, but it isn't. It isn't bad. It's quite good. Look at these. I loved the wavy leaves when I saw it in the video. Right now it's falling over, but I guess with a little bit of water it should perk up. It has 4 leaves. Anthurium green is what she called it, and I think I will just go by that name till I can research and find out what this actually is. Let's see the next plant. So the first plant, pretty good, up to expectations. Let's see the Caladium. I just wish unboxings weren't so messy. Okay. This is the second plant. The leaves are a little damaged, but wow, just look at it. What a beautiful plant. It's quite a mature plant as well, and to tell you honestly, she isn't overcharging. He or she isn't overcharging. It's quite decently priced. Because when you buy plants online, I have seen certain sellers to be charging exorbitant prices. Maybe because people don't know actually how much it costs. This is a beautiful plant. It made me smile, honestly. I just wish they had put it in a little longer box, maybe a longer box, and folded the leaves this way instead of folding them like this. But the good part is they're not drooping. They have come more or less in pretty good shape. A few days, and I think I'm going to just put sellotape behind these leaves so that they can stand up till the new leaves come in. And I can see there is a shoot right over here, so it's good. This one is also, this one packaging average, size of plant and looks of plant awesome, condition of plant not that great, but I'm not complaining because this didn't cost me an arm and leg, so I'm happy about it. Let's see the third one, variegated Anthurium hookeri. Okay, I honestly did not want this plant, but when I buy from a seller, and especially if they are as far as Dimapur, I don't like buying only 1 or 2 things and cheap things, and I feel that I should give them some decent business if I'm buying. This plant is smaller than it looked in the video. Let me see if I can get this to focus on this. Yeah, see, you can see the variegations here. It's a very juvenile plant, smaller than I expected. The Anthurium green, the first one, was also a little smaller than I expected, but that's quite big. This one is, it's focusing on my Perisio. Beautiful, right? All right. I think if I were to rate them out of 10, I would give them a 7, but I think it's a good job doing a plant business, growing, having a nursery, sending plants to people over mail from in this case, from the east to the west of the country. It's not easy. So I am, quite impressed by these sellers. You give us the opportunity to have unique and amazing plants in our place, and thank you for that. Thank you so much, Plants of Joy, for sending me these three beautiful plants, and I am going to try and keep them beautiful and lovely and cherish them. And thank you everybody for joining. If you have any questions, or if you like to know about tropical plants, growing tropical plants in your home, then do follow my channel Soil Connection. It's because I'm connected to the soil in every form. I love plants, I like crystals, I like anything that's got to do with nature. So join me on this journey, and thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.